Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak with Mahesh. My name is Mahesh, and I am here to help you learn simple spoken English. If you feel shy to speak English, if you don't know grammar, if you are afraid to talk, don't worry, this channel is for you. Here we will learn simple daily English, easy sentences, real-life conversations, no difficult grammar, only simple speaking practice. Every day I will teach you small lessons so you can start speaking English step by step. Just follow me, listen, repeat, practice. You can speak English. Start today. Thank you. Do you feel nervous in a new place? Let's learn English with a simple story. This is Raju. Raju is a kind man. He comes from a small village. One day Raju comes to the city. It is his first day in the city. The city is big. The city is busy. There are many people. There are many cars. Raju feels nervous. He feels a little scared. He has a new job. He works in a warehouse. In the morning, Raju wakes up early. He gets ready for work. He wears a clean shirt. He eats breakfast. Now he wants to go to work, but he does not know the way. He looks around. He sees a man. Raju says, "Excuse me." The man looks at him. Raju says, "Where is the bus stop?" The man smiles. He says, "Go straight." He says, "Then turn left." Raju says, "Thank you." He walks slowly. He looks at the road. He finds the bus stop. He feels happy. Now the bus comes. Raju gets on the bus. He says, "One ticket, please." The driver gives a ticket. Raju sits quietly. He looks outside. After some time, he reaches his office. He gets down. He walks inside. He sees his boss. The boss says, "Good morning." Raju says, "Good morning, sir." The boss smiles. He says, "Welcome." Raju says, "Thank you, sir." Raju starts his work. He works carefully. He works slowly. At first he feels nervous, but after some time he feels better. He talks to a worker. He says, "What is your name?" The worker says, "My name is Ali." Raju says, "Nice to meet you." Ali says, "Nice to meet you too." Now Raju feels happy. He is not scared now. In the evening, Raju finishes work. He feels tired, but he feels proud. It is a good day. Raju says, "I can do this." He smiles. Next day he comes early. He is ready. He is confident. "Very good, Raju." Now repeat, "I am ready." "I feel happy." "I can do this." Practice every day.